I'm making enough of this for 4 cups. And in here, I have 3.5 cups of water that I'm gonna bring to a boil. I'm gonna add a tablespoon of black tea, a small piece of cinnamon, 6 green cardamoms. I have 5 whole cloves here, and maybe like 10 black peppercorns to this water. If you don't have tea that is not in bags, you can steep this with tea bags as well, okay? I'm gonna take this off the heat and we're gonna let this steep for about 4 minutes. I'm gonna stir it a little bit, a couple times, and then just leave it alone, okay? All right, we're going to strain our tea. This smells amazing. I'm gonna go wash the pot and come back. I'm gonna add 3/4 cups of milk. I'm using plant-based milk. You can use whole milk or just regular cow milk if you want. I am not going to sweeten this, but feel free to add sugar, monk fruit, stevia, whatever it is you use to sweeten your drinks, as much as you want and as sweet as you like it. I don't like sweetened tea, so I'm gonna drink it like this. It's delicious. And here's our chai. I can't tell you how amazing this smells. A great drink for your soul. This, for now that the weather's changing, awesome. Salud, guys. Yummy. Honestly, I don't miss the sugar, but as I told you, go ahead and sweeten it if you want. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys soon.